What's Gucci on? Welcome back to my channel. My previous video, if you watched it, the how much does it cost to fill up a Toyota Tacoma, I did say I was expecting a package, and I got it this Sunday. I ordered the Ionic Pro Series 4-inch Nerf bars or side steps, whatever you guys want to call them. Originally, I did want to get sliders for it. I wanted to get bolt-on sliders, but they're like pushing $700 and not gonna go rock crawling or they were off-road like that, so decided to go with side steps. I mean, they were pretty cheap on realtruck.com. I got them for $200 after shipping or after taxes. Before taxes they're like advertised for $189 or $187, something like that. I'll put the link in the description if you guys want to check them out. So I went with the Pro Series 4-inch. I was gonna go with the 5, but I figured 4 is fine. So let's open them up. Let's get this opened up. Make sure to always cut away from you. Safety tip, cut away from you. Box is upside down because they decided there's no like shipping label on this. They decided to just write my address in Sharpie across the whole box. I don't know why they did that, but they did. So this is going to be the first one. There's one step, or one Nerf bar. Will be the second Nerf bar. So this is the one I'll be installing with you guys. This is the driver's side, and then this is the passenger side, labeled in green and red. They are hollow. Not too heavy, to be honest. They're light, and I'm glad I went with the 4-inch because 5-inch I feel like would have just been way too much, and I'm not a fan of like having the Nerf bars or side steps like stick out too far. So 4-inch was good. It was a good choice, and then I believe this is just gonna be hardware. Yeah. Alright, so obviously passenger side is the green sticker. This is the rear bracket, center bracket, and then driver side front bracket. There's all those bolts along with nuts and washers. Actually just lock washers, regular washers, no nuts. Instructions, there's these. Driver side brackets, passenger side. Alright, so I went ahead and just set these where they are pretty much going to go. That's the front bracket. This is the center bracket, driver side center bracket. And the driver side rear bracket. So I'm pretty much going to undo these plastic ones right here. Take those out, and then this will just mount up in there. And we won't be using these anymore. We'll be using the ones provided, tying it down, and then do that for those for the middle bracket, and then the two up in the front, middle and rear, are the same. The only difference is gonna be this front bracket. The difference, obviously the rail or Nerf bar will lay here, and the difference, as you can tell. So the front one will actually go that still using factory holes. You'll just remove these two and then go ahead and bolt on these right on there, just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead, get a flathead, get whatever I need, and just start undoing these, and we'll get these installed. There's just these plastic little ones. Pretty simple. So now I'm gonna set these aside and get the hardware out and show you what goes where. It's gonna be a M8 bolt, 30 millimeter and you're gonna put a lock washer and a regular washer. So I went ahead and did most of them. Pretty much it's gonna be really hard to show you guys because I only got 2 hands. Tripod is way too big to fit under here, so I'm gonna just put this here and then put in the 2 bolts. Right now they're just finger tight, as you can tell they're still loose, but so I'm gonna do that to so I'll do that to the middle one and then I'll do that to the rear. Alright, so they're still loose. I'm gonna tighten them after, but because I'm losing daylight and I want to get this done, I'm gonna just put everything on and I'll just tighten it afterwards. You get these little rubber gaskets, pretty thin, so they'll pretty much just lay like this. It'll be a little gasket that will be in between the Nerf bar and the actual bracket. Obviously every single one will get a rubber gasket, and these will be for the passenger side. Set that to the side. Let me unravel that and place it on there. If you're doing this by yourself, just be careful not to ding it. I mean, it's obviously gonna get scratched with little rocks that fly up, but I don't know, it's always nice to have something brand new and last brand new for a while, unless you really don't care and you don't baby it. I try not babying my truck, but I still baby it, to be honest, even though I tell myself not to. Under here you get these holes. Obviously they're threaded, they're tapped, or they got a little insert. Pretty sure it's like a nut insert. So that's where the bolts, I don't know if you can see it, but that's where the bolts will be going into. And obviously to put them on, it does say Ionic on the actual platform, and so yeah, the way you read it, that's the way it's gonna be. So you read it, it says Ionic, so that's gonna be, but do the middle one, then the front, and then the rear. So it is a 4-inch, not the 5, and I'm glad I didn't go with the 5, or else it would have stuck out another inch. But yeah. So the brackets do come, so you could be able to slide the Nerf bar forward if you want. If you want it flush with this, you can go forward, or just push it all the way back, which, knowing me, I probably will just kind of scoot it forward, just so it kind of looks good. I mean, no one will notice it, except it's just little details that I want, I guess. But yeah, that's the Nerf bar. So I'm gonna get them tightened, and then I'll go ahead and step on them, see how they feel. I'm sure they'll be nice and sturdy. I went ahead, tightened them all down, so now they're fully tight. They're on there nice and secured. Obviously I still have the passenger side to do. That just says it passed or regulations, or whatever code it needs to pass, or whatever it needs to pass. It's saying it passed. As you can see, that one had it too. But yeah, that's the passenger side. Haven't done it yet. On there, sturdy, shakes the whole truck. Hit that like button if you guys like this video. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. More videos are coming. So that was it for this video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Hopefully, if you guys are interested in Nerf bars, or if you guys were interested in buying these also, maybe you guys wanted to see what the installation was like. It's so easy. Like, it literally probably took me, it would have taken me 30 minutes if I wasn't filming at all. But the way I did it with just finger tight everything, and then go back and just tighten everything else, 40 minutes probably. I could probably do the next side in 20 minutes, to be honest. Maybe even in 15, since I won't be filming. But yeah, installation is so easy on these Ionic Pro Series Nerf bars. I'm sure it's the same way all around with other Nerf bars. I'm pretty sure it would be kind of difficult for the sliders, but that's not what this video is about. It's about the Nerf bars. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button if you guys like this video. Oh, by the way, for the giveaway, I am going to be giving away the AJT design key fob. To be eligible to win, you guys have to be a subscriber here and be a follower on Lana the Yoda. When you do both of that, DM me on Instagram. I'll go ahead and put you guys in the draw, and I won't draw anybody's name, or I won't do the draw until I'm at, or a month from now. So right now it is the 24th. So on March 24th, pretty much, oh no, I'll be in when I get back from my trip. So I'll say March 30th, or in a month from now. Yeah, screw it, in a month from now. So you guys have a month to hit that subscribe button, hit that follow. I'll do the draw. Whoever wins will get to choose the color of their key fob, the screws, and the buttons. I believe the buttons are an option as well. Yeah, on AGT, buttons are an option. So yeah, guys, hit that subscribe button, hit that follow button on IG, and more videos are to come. Remember, guys, live life.